I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook session expired problem. Now if you encounter this kind of error message when you try to log into your Facebook account, then worry not, since this video has provided you with 5 tips to solve the issue. So follow along as I guide you step by step. And if you find value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So with that being said, let's begin. So the first solution is to clear cache and storage from your Facebook application. Now to do so, open your phone settings. Now scroll down to apps, select apps. Now you select see all apps. Now scroll down to locate your Facebook application. Select Facebook. Now select storage and cache. Now guys, make sure you clear both storage and cache. Now after doing that, the second solution is to allow app permission. Now select permissions. Now make sure you grant permissions to your Facebook application that it requires from camera, microphone, photos and videos, location, and notifications. Now after doing that, the next step is to update your Facebook application. Now to do so, open your Play Store or App Store. Now search for Facebook. Now make sure you update your Facebook application to the latest version. Now after updating your Facebook application, the next step guys is to remove your Facebook account from the device. Now to do so, you need to open your phone settings once more. Now scroll down, then select accounts. Now select Facebook, then tap on remove account. Then you can add your account again after removing your account. Now the fifth and the last solution is to reinstall Facebook app on your device. So if updating the app didn't work for you, you can completely delete the app and install it again. So tap and hold on your Facebook application and make sure tap on uninstall and uninstall this app. Then you can go ahead and open your Play Store and install this application in your device. So with those solutions that I've shared with you, when you follow them, the session expired Facebook error should be gone forever. So that is for me today. So if you find value in this video, then give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and turn notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.